Biakamal tukon ka breaking news ray wecha ka South Sudan kuma South Sudan chicken aladano bike TikTok kene Facebook biken ka gak en wale ka shanga jan dangra wide rawo ka paikel ron kine dangra jan dangra wide die chika aladano ka en Facebook me kene TikTok shabelet ka kornin ne ti shop ka jan bangwan ala shermi pas diok goy bana kulo rach ka jana me mlero de me do bana ga ke TikTok ja ki ngum mlero re ka sos dan bu kono kulo ling you know mi jira mi jidit kanor online tv gorja en wo der subscribe ko gorja en wo bader je nyok nasin ko ken bana roja dan ki do bana en chala ke jen wo ba titi bala ke je ma ga ke TikTok ka ga ke Facebook kuma sos dan re wi ka sos dan gorja en wo de jalad ye ka do mo go amada mal chublo dun ke je ko gor kono ban ma dan lero bu kono ngaje no ngum mi lar ku mi jen o be Facebook kene TikTok be jaga a duo ba dien ngum mi sharek ngum ga ga jamore we ka South Sudan gor jen o biya man dan lero de biya jeling ko be be jamat no kene de content yos ke TikTok kene de kono yos ke Facebook re wicce ka South Sudan a duo ba dien ma ga kene Facebook o kene TikTok na me agenda na gora banyo ga yekel goro no jin bi nyo ga nasin ko kien ko de la de kan chamala chu gwanten gor kon no de ko tin bi ngaje no ku me so Sudan ga jen gwa se me te ga lat ko rodien dum do shi kan lar no man ba do ga ka je e reason rodien ki do rodien bi ngaje no man la ro den tam la breaking news bana linga gore liang mo gwa ka ji ka go liang mo gwa kana te ko kien gwaye wana kala dan go kono bana link na me breaking news ray which ka South Sudan and wo ba TikTok kene Facebook ba ka gek ray which ka South Sudan tejrodo ngum de gaga ngum ga ka Facebook kene TikTok ja okay gwa shanna ma chana ja kun warga me a public notice ka do bran ken lat ke ja kene nena ko gor kono bana mandan le rode bana jiling okay gwa se me government banned Facebook, TikTok across South Sudan. National Communication Authority has ordered nationwide blockage of all social media platforms, including Facebook, TikTok, for up to 90 days. Kanini jan bangwan ba social media and albaka gek. The directive issued on January 22, 2025 instruct internet service provider to restrict access from midnight on January 22. La January 22 wale, alo ba gaga wale baje gagre which ka juba kire which ka South Sudan kele ko cha gono no bete karam bi communicate ki bo online na me amishi kalat jane akene baje gag 90 days ki nindi jen bangwan gagde ala nindi jen bangwan ka fes diok okay ka fes diok the reason dana gagde jane the move followed the circulation of graphic content depicting the violent attack on South Sudanese refugees in Wad Madeni Sudan, which the government say have caused public distress and pose a threat to national security and mental health. The NCA stated that the ban aimed to curb the spread of harmful content that violate national laws and disrupt public order. While the ban is set for a maximum of 90 days, the authority indicated that restriction could be lifted earlier if the situation is deemed under control. Namemen shalada keniri kon kumu South Sudan. Kenene kan do bdana ngaka je man ngaka social media ka jen gwasme shibshanen gwasme ka MTN gwasme kenene ken man ngaka je ku video nen kon shala online gwase na ke South Sudan inten Sudan la kumu Sudan me ne ken South Sudanese ni chakala online nama gujena dara solution. Could it be a solution? Okay, gwa chi South Sudan chi kan yoko wo chi kan wo ka MTN she can jogo no gaga ala all these internet service providers today which ka South Sudan she can jogo no gaga ti diality atel millet rode no chi jero dan chi kan la no no alo gor kan tel millet no re we ka South Sudan kan ni jen bangwan she can internet service provider can la ne MTN South Sudan which to inform its esteemed customer that following a directive received by the telecom industry access and usage direct or otherwise of Facebook application, Facebook web, TikTok application and TikTok web and their related messaging application have been suspended for a maximum period of 90 days. As a result, South Sudan customer will not be able to access the aforementioned service via the MTN network.
All other services offered by MTN South Sudan continue running seamlessly. MTN will continue to notify its customer of any change to aforementioned approach. MTN South Sudan management. Jen duo badan jikan lar ka jen mo.
ando shaga jogono ala internet service provider yal gääkɛ no telembilat achikara mo chikana kwen ke kuumɛ South Sudan. Neme a direct force coming from South Sudan government and social media di alka gääkɛ. Chikum South Sudan che shula no baka gek TikTok, Facebook, many messenger ken kon keten lana rakeke ko telecommunication betuok ray wika South Sudan ka ko take a video te shalas ka internet ko shaga bugutanath ko ken jakan chanat ko bike je ka kuje mo shala do ba ko wuch jen do bran kan lar keje jin mo te ko war guje jen solution menene ba ko wojo a can kwa ko ka South Sudan cha bunyo cha boje ne ko kin cause in this platform ko kan ka lawo ba ka guch mi jin wi ka Instagram bon wodo bo they allow them TikTok yes Twitter yes Facebook when Facebook ko la kan ka restrict but other platform chicken teleka restriction so na me gweje shi solution but jen do dan shi kum South Sudan ni guje jen wo charge de la let so na me jen breaking news re wiker South Sudan ko sha Facebook TikTok sha la do ba ka ga ka jen shangan wala shang jen dang re ro ka pai kel ron kin dang ro wi jen dang re diech jen dan gor de nyaka ye kel an bi ataka mal ban nyo je kel ro den bye bye